Hello my loves. Yo, look at the way my eyes are watering, please. Perfectly describes my day because the day I've had a day and a half. That's what I'm gonna say. But I'm about to unwind with some nice skincare. I'm very excited. You guys know, listen, I love me a bit of skincare. It's evening time. We're taking off the day. I'm about to do a whole skin video, but I'm upset, guys. I'm so upset because my skin has been behaving itself. Like, sis has been on her best behavior. Today I sit down to do a video. It's like she knew I was going to film this video today. It's just a whole mess, but I am very excited because today's video is in partnership with Lookfantastic. I love me some Lookfantastic. I buy a lot. I spend a lot of my coin on Lookfantastic, so this video is a little bit like it's like a little full circle moment for me. So they are kindly sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys, and thank you guys, because without you there would be no hashtag spawn, no hashtag ad. Love Lookfantastic because it's like a one-stop shop. Yeah, they've got heaps of brands, loads of my favorite brands, all the faves in one place. And what's really amazing is they've given me a code for you guys. Uche LF is going to save you 15% on your order, but it's only on certain brands. So I know NARS is included, so if you ever want to get natural longwear, you guys know that's my favorite foundation ever. I will leave all the brands that are included in the description bar. Tangle teaser, obviously my hair's braided back now, but this is what I use to detangle my hair. I actually have two of those because this one has been absolutely annihilated from heat, so I picked up another one. So they've got heaps and heaps of brands. As I said, one-stop shop. Love a bit of Lookfantastic. First of all, I'm going to do a quick haul and show you guys what I picked up. So the first thing I picked up is this. This is the Mighties. One is missing because I used one this morning. So let me just pop that back in. Let me make this nice and fancy. So it's got the cleansing balm, which this is why I'm doing it at night time, so I can use the cleansing balm to melt away all my makeup. The honey moisturizer I've also heard lots about. There is a night balm in here, which I don't know if I'm going to use that because I'm using, or I might use that actually. We'll see. And also the honey potion face mask, which I used this morning. Absolutely lush. I also picked up the Ren Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. I've heard so much about this bad boy. It's very thick. Oh girl, she is thick. I feel like she'd be amazing in the winter, but I think it's just a little bit too thick for this time of year for me. I'm a huge fan of Lano lips. With my own coin, I got the peach ointment, so I decided to pick up the coconut ointment because I love coconut, and also the intense coconut hand cream. How much I love the Glossier mint balm. This edges it for me because it's got a nice glossy finish, which you'll see at the end. This is like a whole pamper routine. So I got the Burt's Bees conditioning lip scrub. This is very hydrating. I would say it's more balmy than it is scrubby. It's supposed to be a lip scrub, but it doesn't really do that. It's like a very gentle scrub, mostly hydrating. I've started incorporating retinol into my skincare routine, which I'm so excited about. This is the Medicate Retinol Intense Supercharged 1% Vitamin A Serum. This came recommended from Skin Doctor on Instagram. I've been using that. My mascara is running because it's that time of the night. Oh, I got sheet masks. Yee! I'm excited to do sheet masks. So I got the Star Skin Hydrating Mask. This is one of my absolute favorite. I also picked up the Yes To Detoxifying and Hydrating Black and White Charcoal Mask. I love a charcoal mask. Rhodial Vitamin C Mask. I hope that's how you say it, Rhodial. This has vitamin C in it, so I'd probably use it in the daytime. I think because my skin is acting up a little bit, I'm going to use the Yes To Tomato one today. Just gonna take a cotton pad and use my, this is so good, the La Roche-Posay Ultra Micellar Water. Ooh. Just gonna melt off my lips, so I'm just peeling my lashes off. This micellar water is amazing, by the way. I like to do this and melt off with a micellar water before I cleanse, before I use a balm. I overdo it before, I'll do it after, but one way or another I'm doing a micellar water at some point. Breaking out, like, she's showing me up and she was doing so well. Over the weekend I just went mad. Dairy breaks me out and I know that. So does excessive alcohol consumption. Rosé on the weekend. I had this like salted caramel log with Madagascar vanilla custard. Girl, I was doing a whole load of stuff. The makeup melt away balm. I like these little minis because it gives you a chance to try the brand, especially a brand like Pharmacy. Pharmacy is so expensive. I have like 3 products from Pharmacy that I bought with my own money. Usually when I'm in, oh, this smells, number one, this smells freaking amazing. Number 2, this consistency girl, this is really nice. Sorry, that is just, I love it when no expectations. That's how I like to live my life, so I can be really blown away. Oh, I'm just gonna do this for like some time. There's a whole load of sound effects going on right now that do not need to be going on. All right, let me go wash this off. Take it down my neck as well, because I stay taking product down my neck. Ooh, I love a cleansing balm though. I bloody love a cleansing balm. Another firm favourite is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, which is also available on Lookfantastic, which I will link down below, and it's also included in the code. Hopefully they have the travel size version on there, because I always say just get a travel size version first. Make sure you like the product before you commit to a full size if you can, especially for pricier brands. Wash my face with the Effaclar Gel Micro Peeling Purifying Gel from La Roche-Posay. Also available from Lookfantastic. Listen, as much damage I've been doing on Amazon, I've also been doing on Lookfantastic and Zara. Clothing haul coming soon, by the way. So naturally, I just have a lot from the site. I like it because it's got 2% salicylic acid, which is needed. Toner, zero zinc solution. This, oh my god, this is so, also from site. This is so freaking good, I swear. If you have like breakouts, this has zinc in it, calms the breakouts down, really helps with pigmentation. Damn, I need to take my vitamins. I haven't taken my vitamins today. Very soothing. It's a zinc sulfate solution. If you look up zinc benefits for the skin, just really accelerates the healing process. Just let that sink into my, oh, I love this. Sorry, I actually overuse this. I also use it on my chest because sometimes I like scratch my skin sometimes. I don't know. I think it's like a comfort thing. Really been liking La Roche-Posay recently, I'm not gonna lie. Once that's settled, the next step in my evening skincare routine is either like a glycolic or a lactic acid serum or a retinol. Tonight I'm using retinol. As I said, I've been phasing this into my routine for the past like 2.5 weeks. Why did that just happen? What is going on with me? I just literally threw my lid. I'm honestly like the clumsiest person ever. I don't like wasting product, especially not expensive product. What on earth am I doing? I'm really excited to start using retinol just because I feel like it really advances the skin in a faster way than other products. I feel like my skin can handle the intense one, but they have different intensities. I just got the 1% supercharged, and this is vitamin A. I had a massive infection on my skin the other day, by the way. That's why I've got like loads of marks. My skin and dark marks is like a long-standing battle, and now I've got these new breakouts. I just don't even want to be fair, part of my infection was up here, and that's kind of the skin there is healed really nicely. The only ones that are, these are old scars anyway. This is the only one that's really been quite troublesome. Everything else is kind of fading away quite nicely. That was nice. Okay, for moisturizer, I'm going to use this one. Do I want to use the night balm? Firming night balm. No, I don't want to use that because I feel like it's going to have actives. Because I'm using retinol, that is the only active that I want to use. So I'm going to use the Pharmacy Honey Drop. I really like that these have proper lids. So random, but yeah. Ooh. This doesn't actually smell like honey at all. It smells a bit weird, to be honest. It smells really weird. Ooh, that's nice though. Ooh, that consistency. That's very hydrating. I like that. I like that a lot. Melt my makeup off, cleanse, double cleanse actually because I've been wearing makeup, serum, moisturizer, and then we finish off with an oil. I've been loving this oil from the grocery. This is their Superfood Face Serum Clean Greens Oil. Oh, this oil, just look. Smells really medicinal, like it's doing something. You know when you put all your oils on at night and you look like you've just had a massive shower in oil? I like to put that on my neck, my chest, everywhere. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm actually going to put a tiny bit of tea tree on these. This is just pure tea tree oil that I got from Sainsbury's. In the daytime, I like to use my Dermalogica Age Bright Spot Fader. This is really good because it's got niacinamide in it, so it just helps with hyperpigmentation, dark marks. But obviously I've got retinol, so I don't want to mix retinol and niacinamide. I'm going to use the Coconut Lano Lips. That's what that looks like. Oh, my skin is all ready for the evening, and that's me done. Oh no, I wanted to do a face mask. I forgot. In my next one, when I do a morning routine, I'm going to use one of these sheet masks. I'm so sad I forgot I wanted to use this. I got carried away, as always. Just a recap on what we used today. So I started off by using the Pharmacy Makeup Melt Away. I like this. This is nice. This is definitely something I'd buy full size, 100%. Double cleanse, and then I followed with this because it's got 2% salicylic acid, which we love. We love that for breakouts. Zinc solution from La Roche-Posay, also love for breakouts because the zinc just really calms the skin down, really helps with the healing process. Followed by, what did I use after that? I don't want to do my Burt's Bee lip balm. Damn, next time. Followed by our Honey Potion moisturizer. No, we use retinol. So I use my Retinol Net Vitamin A serum, 1%. I've not been using it for very long, but so far so good. Followed by the lightweight moisturizer from Pharmacy. Nice, I like it, but I'm not sure I'd buy the full version. Honestly, I'm not sure I would. Obviously, you have to finish with the thickest consistency, so you work your way up through consistencies. Oil is the thickest consistency. So I use my clean greens, as you can see. This is well loved. Finish off with my Lano Lips coconut ointment, and also Lano Lips coconut hand cream, just to moisturize my hands, and I'm all ready for bed. My skin is looking, do you know what? She's looking good. I'm not gonna lie. Apart from the breakouts, she's been doing so good. I cannot complain. She's really been, you know, doing her thing. She's ticking along, but she's taking her time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. It's just my evening skincare routine. Code UCHELF if you want to purchase any of these goodies. Also some other stuff that I use all the time, like my NARS foundation, my Too Faced concealer. I'm not sure if that's included. I feel like it is, but I'm not sure. My NARS concealer that I use to clean up my brows all the time. This guy right here, I know for sure she is included. I'll leave the brands that are included down below, the code down below, direct links. I'll make it super easy for you guys. Oh, next time as well, I might do my face hair removal routine actually, because I've been meaning to do that, so I might throw that into the next one. The disparity between the two sides is crazy. Next time I'm definitely going to use some more masks. I'm definitely going to use a lip balm scrub because I forgot about that. That is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed my evening skincare routine. Not having super clear skin is a connection point. Most people don't have super clear skin, and if you do, you are truly God's favorite and you are truly blessed. Thank you so much, Lookfantastic, for partnering with me on today's video. I will leave all the information in the description bar below for you guys. Bye.